All right, everybody, we are out here at the Batchelder and HomeQuest residence again. Just kind of going over things now that I got a lot of the plants laid out. So we got the 3 hibiscus over there, gorgeous. They're a Fiesta variety, I believe, so they'll get kind of tall and bushy and they'll kind of cover that area. In between these 2 trees right here, this ligustrum and camphor tree, there'll be a southern red cedar right in the middle of those, and then some more holly ferns connecting that end. And then as you can see around here, we got all these green jasmine up in the front, all the sunset jasmine to give her a little bit more color against the sunshine ligustrum and these camellias. And then behind the sunshine ligustrum, she has some pockets over here in the jasmine of autumn ferns, and we're gonna dig those up and plant them behind here to give her kind of like a height elevation, a little height difference in there, so she won't be seeing up underneath the sunshine ligustrum. Continuing our sea of the green jasmine. This stuff is super hardy. It'll grow basically anywhere. Got it up here just for people in case they run into her yard and stuff like that trying to get around here. It'll have no problem taking the weight of the cars and bouncing back. Up here, we're continuing the sunset jasmine. Just continuing that, trying to make it a little bit balanced. She's got an awesome Australian tree fern right there on the corner. Those things are super cool. They'll get like 10, 15 feet tall. They'll branch out real wide, super awesome looking. And then behind you, we got a bunch of stromantha and variegated ginger, and there's some shield ferns in there. Just trying to fill this area a little bit better. But once we get through here, it is gonna be full. Like, I'm gonna have some of these small ferns. I'm gonna make a little pocket of them around this tree, kind of give it a little bit more depth right there. Same thing with the tree right here, then another tree right behind you. And then I'm gonna try and get another pocket of them behind this rock right here. And then as that goes, we're gonna catch back up into some more of the sunset jasmine with the maidenhair fern behind it. It's got a nice texture. They're super cool. They're real flowy in the wind. They're awesome. With another Australian tree fern. And then we got robellinis, more Australian tree ferns. We got the Awabuki viburnum back there that's gonna kind of hedge a hidden pathway through there. And then she's got some oak leaf hydrangeas that just showed up. We're gonna lay those out. They're gonna be behind these anise, and just kind of filling in as we go. You can see back behind you, we got the little begonias and some more maidenhair ferns. She's got these gorgeous farfugium. These guys, or as the common name is a leopard plant. They will get massive. Like, these petals will get every bit of like that wide. They will get huge. And they got an awesome like fluorescent highlighter yellow flower on them. They're gorgeous. And she's got a few extra redbud trees back here that we're gonna kind of plant in here and continue this redbud hedge to give her a little bit of privacy for along this walkway. Got another robellini, and then just down that side there's how many? 14, it feels like 30, but 14 Awabuki viburnum just down this side, just to give her privacy from that road and close everything. But we'll get planting and see you when everything's in the ground.